Morning, guys. This is JDizzEats in Winnipeg. I just want to thank you for 50 subscribers. I appreciate it. Even though it's a little bit late, should have said when I actually hit 50 subscribers. In case if I go below 50 subscribers in about a week. But thank you. So I will be doing some subscriber special, by the way. But don't know when. But I will let you know on Instagram, so stay tuned for that. And we have longanisa, homemade, and rice along with it. We're gonna give this a taste in this video. Pretty sweet and garlicky. Can feel that garlicky aftertaste on my back of my throat. So back to the video. I will still be uploading on Tuesday and Thursday. So again, thank you for 50 subscribers. We'll try to hit 100 subscribers by then. Hopefully by the end of the year. That will be awesome. But anyway, guys, that'll be it for this quick talk. If you don't enjoy this video, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.